My name is Ashiru Oluwasegun. The name of my company is Unity Automobile Production Company Limited. In Abuja, Kubo Mechanic Village, number 52. I think that should be 2017, early 2017. So it was installed after, if I can remember, after we returned from Dubai with the staff of Garutech Limited. Then the oven was installed, and since then I've been enjoying it. No cause for alarm. I've been enjoying it with perfect baking and other facilities. The response is another thing else, because I am beginning to see it beyond even customer service. I am a kind of relating it to because of how will I put it, friendship, because the response is something else. No matter how tough or busy, by the time we put call onto Garutech Technologies, immediately, less than an hour, one of their staff must be in our place here. And so many things that they will just install for us. We say, okay, how much are we going to pay? They say, no, don't worry. We are doing our service. So it's excellent, please. Very okay. In fact, to everybody that I come across that is in need of spray boot, in fact, I advise them to use Garutech as spray boot. That is Garutech Technologies as spray boot. So it's the best. As far as I am concerned, it's the best.